just couldn't hold my enthusiasm. It's dirty in here, but look at these seats, man. They fit in here perfect. Plenty of room. They look fantastic, don't they? $300 for both of them. The brackets, I'll explain to you how I did it. Very simple. But I just wanted to show you this is a YJ Jeep, and these seats look awesome. So you can see the front, how it looks. There you have it. I'll show you how to adjust the seat, so the seat brackets, so they'll work for your YJ. All right, so here's the business end of the deal. Just made one plate, a square plate. Put 4 holes in the plate. And that's it, man. This other side, you line it up. And you're good to go.